Wow, I love this question. Indonesia is my biggest teacher. Bali is being where I have spent most of my time here. And it taught me first that sustainability starts with a spiritual sustainability. Indonesian buildings are all about this relationship between the microcosms and the macrocosms. The way a Balinese house is created is all in base to the space and how the family moves in relation to the gods, as I was saying, and in relation to how the grandfather, the mother, everybody. So that is the biggest lesson I have gotten from here. How to understand that what we are creating resonates with everything around us. The second is being how to work with the material in a more grounded way. Here we do everything with the hands. Here the feet of the craftsman, they move things like if they were their hands, and there is such an awareness of who they are and how they live that is always inspiring us to challenge ourselves to create something new, because we see that everything is possible. And my deepest belief that I learned by being here is that once you are in peace with yourself and in presence, all the rest flows, because most of the challenges are kind of created within ourselves and they don't really exist. So that is being what Bali has brought to me. And from that peace of mind, I feel that our designs can exist and create actually at a pace that I'm not expecting, how fast they are kind of being born. So yeah, it is deeply rooted in me and my team, this culture in Indonesia, in Bali, on the way we create, on the way we think, on the way we live.